Hello everyone, this is Shobhan Kumar Pakalpati, psychologist, ABA therapist and CBT practitioner. Today I want to discuss about personality disorders. We already discussed about personality disorders and we already know three type of separate groups in DSM for the personality disorders. Cluster A, Cluster B and Cluster C. And today in this video we will just talk about Cluster A personality disorders. What are the Cluster A personality disorders? As we seen in the last video, we have very common symptoms of personality disorder, and also there are some particular different inner symptoms. With those symptoms we can find out a specific personality disorder. Like that, in Cluster A personality disorder, the people may exhibit the odd and intrinsic behaviors. So these are the main difference with other personality disorders. In this Cluster A, there are three types of personality disorders. First one is the paranoid personality disorder. These type of personality disorder people will no trust to everyone, no trust on others, means they cannot trust others. They think that others will harm them or others will not understand them. Their feelings every time shows the same thing. And the second one is schizoid personality disorder. This type of a personality disorder people will not easily relate to others. They should not comfort to relate others, and they are also don't exhibit wide range of emotions, means if it is any time the thing may be hard to understand or hard to inculcate or hard to take it in a different type of situations, like sad situations and also the very happy situations. They only show the flattered place and no emotions at all, no expressions of emotions at all. And the third one is schizotypal personality disorder. In this type of a people who have the problems, they cannot comfort with close relations. They are every time afraid with close relations. These are the main type of core symptoms we can find in them. So with these symptoms we can understand what type of personality disorder they have, and we should understand that if any psychological problem is creating disturbance in a family and in a personal and in a different set of places, only that is a psychological problem. Because if we see everything, we relate everything with us. Yo, I have this type of symptoms, so I have a problem. Everyone will think like that, but it is not right. If it creates any disturbance in a person's life, then it will be the problem. And this is also very complex problem, so that if you feel any problems with it, or if you find out any problems with your friend or a family member, you immediately consult a practitioner. It will help you a better way in any others. As we seen the risk factors in others, this also the same risk factors involved in, so that if we find out any problem or any symptoms of this, please consult a good psychologist. Thank you very much. All the best from Pinnacle Blooms Network.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Miracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special Edu Healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.